Dear brothers and sisters, many times we stand up in front of a number of people in a gathering, in a meeting, on a conference. We introduce people and we talk about the people. And a lot of time we exaggerate in praising them. What the Prophet ﷺ said about these kind of people. It is mentioned in Hadith number 8.86 in Bukhari. Prophet ﷺ heard a man praising another man. He was exaggerating in his praise. The Prophet ﷺ said to him, "You have destroyed or cut the back of the man." The end of the hadith. We have to be very careful when we are praising someone. When you exaggerate in praising them, what are you doing? It's becoming a collection of the lies. You are misleading the other people and the audience. You are giving untruthful and giving unnecessary overconfidence to that person. And for this reason, the Prophet ﷺ have said that you have destroyed the back of the person. Please stay away when you are introducing or praising someone. Do not exaggerate as stated by the Prophet ﷺ. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala